Hey everyone, Lee here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add the calendar widget to your iPhone's home screen. It's a quick and simple process, so let's jump right into it. If you want to see what's coming up on your calendar without having to open the actual calendar app, you can easily add the calendar widget to your home screen. First, let's tap and hold on your iPhone home screen, and you'll see a little plus icon in the top left-hand corner. Let's tap on that. If you don't see the calendar widget here, you can search for calendar and choose the type of calendar widget you want. You can choose from a list, month, or up next view. Let's go for the month view and add the widget. And there you go, the calendar widget has been added to your home screen on your iPhone. You can tap on it to see up and coming events and edit it by tapping and holding and hitting Edit Widget. From here, you can customize it by hiding all date events, mirroring the calendar app, and more. You can also move the widget to a different screen or place, or delete it by tapping the minus button. It's that simple. I hope this helps you keep track of your schedule more easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.